Hello guys! Today is a beautiful day. As you can see, we are glowing. Skin is skinning as always. Gakone and and Dean. And then what's on the menu? What else is coming? Chicken.
We got some chicken.
Yes.
Chicken.
Quinoa.
We got a quinoa salad.
Quinoa salad.
We're gonna add some pineapple and strawberries to that.
Pineapple and strawberries in
And
the quinoa
then
salad.
We're gonna add some carb as well.
Oh, what?
A milli.
A milli?
A milli. Corn on the cob.
Okay. What are the strawberries for?
We're just gonna cut it up, dice it up a little bit.
And
add
put
it
them in
into
the quinoa? Okay. What dressing are we having?
I didn't think that far,
Okay, cool.
but we can wing it. We can see how it goes. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice. Cheers, guys. Cheers. What are you drinking?
Kraken.
What the hell is that?
Drugs.
Okay, so it's Sunday today. Sunday fun day. Ski glowing. Sun out. Braids out. Anyways, today's Sunday and we are ending and starting the week.
It's Sunday. It's Sunday.
We are ending and starting the week, and today we are just chilling. It's so hot. I really want to go into the pool, but I can't because I recently got my hair done. So that's not happening. But yeah, my skin is giving, guys. Yeah. Oh, hi man, look at that. Look at that skin, oh. Hey. Anyways, guys, we are counting chicken legs and we are counting how many chickens had to 20 chickens had to so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Oh shit.
And the wings.
Yeah, that's about like 20 chicken had to
Give their life for us.
It could have been the
for
same
us.
chicken.
Thank you.
Same chickens.
We appreciate you.
Maybe it was
May
only
have been
10
the same
chickens.
chicken.
Same chickens. The wings and the drumsticks all came from the same chickens.
There's no way.
It's 10 chickens.
No. There's no
Not the
way
chicken.
that the chicken. Where did you get this chicken?
We got them on the same shelf.
In Publix.
Publix.
Literally like the same level next
Same
to each other.
shelf. Your chicken?
Walmart. So it's
I
not
think
the
they're
same.
cousins though. They must be cousins.
Ooh, the chickens are cousins. That's a nice one.
That's what I heard.
How's it going, guys?
Yeah, it's going.
It's going. Okay, chicken's black already before it turns brown.
No, it's just the Jimmy sauce. Just the caramelization.
Well done, guys. Well done. Guys, okay, look at this. This is my chicken. This is Corne's chicken. And this is Dean's chicken.
This is an English guy's chicken. You can tell.
Look at this. Look at how white that is.
Fucking sacrilege.
Look at the difference. Look at that.